What if I told you there's a flower that actually rebuilds your brain while you sleep? Ancient yogis used it to stay sharp well into old age, and now science says it may reverse memory loss, improve focus, and protect your brain from aging. And no, I'm not talking about stimulants or supplements that hype you up. This comes straight from Mama Nature. Welcome to Longevity Lifestyle, where we blend ancient healing wisdom with modern science to bring you natural solutions that actually work. And today, we're diving into Shankha Pushpi, an herb that's been said to spiral your consciousness to higher levels. Whether you're 25 and can't focus, or 75 and worried about losing your edge, Ayurvedic doctors have been prescribing it for thousands of years specifically for one thing: rebuilding the mind. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this little flower just might be the most powerful brain regenerator on the planet. If you're someone who wants to stay sharp into your 70s, 80s, and beyond, this is one of the most important herbs you'll ever learn about. Now, before we get into the how, let me ask you something. Do you have difficulty remembering things? Or maybe you just can't seem to concentrate on anything for more than 5 minutes? Here's the thing. Both of these problems have the same root cause. Your brain isn't getting what it needs to repair itself. But Shankha Pushpi changes that equation, and the way it works is actually pretty wild. First, let's break down the name. In Sanskrit, Shankh means conch shell, and Pushpi means flower. So it translates to conch flower because its shape looks like a conch shell. In yoga, the conch represents the sound of universal consciousness. Kind of brings a whole new meaning to what you were actually connecting to when you put that shell up to your ear as a kid, right? Now, this flower is actually a type of morning glory. You know, those beautiful trumpet-shaped flowers that open with the sunrise? Well, a flower that opens with the morning light is understood to carry that same clarity and awakening into the mind. Real quick, I want to hear from you. Are you dealing with memory issues, attention problems, or both? And how's your sleep? Let me know in the comments, because I guarantee these things are connected. Now, in Ayurveda, we talk about 3 fundamental energies: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Think of them as 3 synergistic operating systems your body runs on. Most herbs usually raise one and lower the other 2, but Shankha Pushpi balances all 3. That rarely happens. According to Dr. Vasant Lad, who wrote the book on Ayurvedic herbs, Shankha Pushpi is the best of all the nervines. A nervine just means it nourishes your nervous system. Why is it the best? Because it doesn't just calm your nerves, it actually rebuilds them. So here's where it gets interesting. In Ayurveda, there's a special category of herbs called Medhya Rasayana, or mind rejuvenatives. They actually regenerate neural tissue over time, and Shankha Pushpi is one of the most important ones. Think of it like this. If your brain is a garden, most supplements are like giving it water. But Shankha Pushpi is like adding new soil, planting new seeds, and strengthening the roots. It's rebuilding the infrastructure. And here's the beautiful part. A lot of this rebuilding happens while you sleep. Your brain does most of its repair work at night. That's when it clears out metabolic waste, consolidates memories, and literally rewires itself. Shankha Pushpi enhances this entire process. Imagine waking up after a good night's sleep and your brain actually feels refreshed. Not foggy, not sluggish, but clear. That's the difference people notice when this herb starts doing its work. Now, in a minute, I'll reveal the one thing you absolutely must take Shankha Pushpi with, or it won't work nearly as well. But first, let's talk about why this herb is so good for everyone at every age. Memory loss in older adults and attention problems in younger people might seem like different issues, but they're actually related. Both come down to circulation and neural connectivity. Your brain needs blood flow, lots of it. When circulation to the brain decreases, everything suffers. Memory, focus, processing speed, creativity. It all depends on your neurons getting the oxygen and nutrients they need. Shankha Pushpi increases circulation to the brain. Simple as that. More blood flow means more oxygen, more nutrients, better waste removal, and your brain starts working the way it's supposed to. I'm also going to put a shameless plug in here for getting more exercise because of everything I just mentioned. And this is also a big reason why yoga places so much importance on inversions. But Shankha Pushpi also does something else. It stimulates what Ayurveda calls higher cerebral functions. Basically, it helps your brain make new neural connections. For older adults, this can mean preserving and even restoring memory. For younger people struggling with attention, it means better focus and mental clarity. Pair this with perpetually learning dexterous skills and you'll give yourself superpowers. Now, there's actually an ancient formula called Sarasvata Churna named after the goddess of wisdom, and Shankha Pushpi is the star ingredient. This formula has been used for centuries for what we'd now call ADHD, or attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Kids who couldn't focus on their studies? Sarasvata Churna. Adults losing their mental edge? Same formula. The genius of Ayurveda is that it understands something modern medicine is just now coming to terms with. You can't and shouldn't suppress symptoms. You have to rebuild the system. And that takes time. But that's what gets results. Studies show that Shankha Pushpi improves both learning and memory retention. It's also a powerful antioxidant in the brain, which matters because oxidative stress, basically cellular damage, is one of the main drivers of cognitive decline. Think of oxidative stress like rust on metal. Over time, it breaks things down. Antioxidants prevent that rust, and Shankha Pushpi is particularly good at protecting brain cells from this kind of damage. If you're loving the fact that there's a natural path to better brain health, hit those like and subscribe buttons because we drop life-changing content like this every week and you don't want to miss out. Okay, now here's something most people don't know. Shankha Pushpi is also excellent for nerve pain, particularly the kind that comes from coldness or weakness in the body, which can be recognized as shooting pain that travels along nerve pathways. The most famous pain like this is sciatica. In Ayurveda, this results from excess Vata, which means too much of the air and space elements are drying out and irritating the nerves. Shankha Pushpi is stabilizing and nourishing, so it directly counters this. If you've got nerve pain keeping you up at night, this herb addresses that too. Now, here's where everything comes together. Your gut and your brain are in constant communication. In fact, 95% of your body's serotonin, which is the neurotransmitter that affects mood, sleep, and focus, is made in your gut. Yup, your gut literally manufactures brain chemicals. Shankha Pushpi works on both ends of this connection. It's nourishing to digestive tissues, it helps balance your gut, and it reduces inflammation throughout your entire system. Research shows it also protects your stomach lining and has anti-ulcer properties. When your gut is healthy, you produce neurotransmitters better, you sleep better, and thus your brain works better. Modern science calls it the gut-brain axis like it's some new discovery, but Ayurveda has been teaching it for millennia. So let's connect the dots. Shankha Pushpi increases circulation to your brain, protects neurons from damage, helps your gut produce the chemicals your brain needs, and it does all of this while supporting your body's natural repair processes, which happen primarily during sleep. Poor sleep accelerates cognitive decline. It prevents your brain from clearing out waste products and consolidating memories. But when you support your nervous system with herbs like Shankha Pushpi, sleep improves, repair improves, and everything else follows. This isn't about popping a pill and feeling different tomorrow. This is about giving your brain the resources it needs to heal itself over time. That's real regeneration. Dr. Ladd mentions something fascinating. Shankha Pushpi doesn't just improve memory, it enhances overall intelligence and creativity. At first, that sounds too good to be true, but think about what intelligence really is. It's pattern recognition, making connections between ideas, flexible thinking, and problem solving. All of that depends on healthy neural pathways and good circulation. When your brain is well nourished and firing efficiently, you're simply smarter across the board. Artists, writers, and yogis have used this herb for centuries to enhance their creative practice, not as a shortcut, but as a way to optimize the conditions for their brain to do what it does best. So how do you actually take this? Traditionally, Shankha Pushpi is used as a powder in tea. The typical dose is 3 to 6 grams, or roughly half to 1 teaspoon of powder mixed with warm milk or water, a little honey, and ghee, which is clarified butter. The ghee matters. Shankha Pushpi's compounds absorb better with healthy fats, and ghee is considered one of the best carriers for herbs in Ayurveda. Plus, ghee itself is a brain tonic. Now, if you're vegan or dairy-free, you can use coconut oil or a homemade nut milk instead. The key is having some healthy fat to help with absorption. It's not traditional, but it works. Now, if you're not so into tea or warm milk, or you're traveling and need it on the go, you can also find Shankha Pushpi in capsules or liquid extracts. Just make sure you're getting it from a reputable source that tests for purity. Quality matters, especially for something you're taking for brain health. I'll drop links to my favorite nut milk machine and Shankha Pushpi in the description. Having a nut milk machine is a game changer because it makes fresh nut milks in just a few minutes without all the toxic oils and preservatives you find in the ones at the store. Not to mention less plastic. Now, I need to say this. While Shankha Pushpi has been safely used for thousands of years, I'm not your doctor. If you're on medications, especially for the nervous system or blood pressure, talk to your healthcare provider first. Also, if you're pregnant or nursing, consult a qualified practitioner. This is powerful medicine. Treat it with respect. Okay, I want to leave you with this. We've been sold this story that cognitive decline is inevitable, brain fog is just part of modern life, and that memory loss just naturally comes with aging and there's nothing you can do about it. But that's not true. Traditional systems like Ayurveda show us that those are all symptoms of toxic buildup and energetic imbalance, and that nature has always provided the solutions. We just bought into the narrative and started believing the hype. Your brain is not deteriorating. It's just waiting for the right conditions so that it can rebuild itself naturally. That's the Ayurvedic way. Work with your body's wisdom, not against it. All right, if you're ready to learn more simple, natural solutions to common problems, check out one of these videos right here. This information could literally change the trajectory of your life. Remember, longevity isn't luck, it's a lifestyle. Until next time.